Alright, Secret DIY here. Today on this Fang Dabby Dozy episode, I'm going to show you how to strengthen LATH plaster and basically put it straight back to new. So with that said, let's get cracked on. So as you can see, what I'm showing you here is basically the LATH plaster and how the back of the plaster is going over the laths, or lats if you want to call them. As you can see, it's draping over the back, and that's what you need, and that's what's giving it the strength. But if we keep looking about, you can see some of them have broke off, and that's not what you want. So what I've decided to do is I've decided to cut some boards down, and I cut all the boards down or whatever to size, and I started doing some tests. So what I've done is started mixing up some dot and dab, mixed all the dot and dab up. Once all the dot and dab was mixed up, then I decided to start putting it on the back of the LATH plaster. But that was just my little test piece, so I'll show you the next bit now. So it started getting a bit late last night, so I stopped. Our last one to have a tea, and she wanted to watch a show. Stranger Things, funnily enough. Anyway, you see me mixing with this. It's not what I normally do. My mixer's broke, and with the little batches I've got to do, I thought I'd crack on because I'm going out today and I haven't had time to go and pick another one up. So that's that. So as you can see, I've started putting these on. They're all braced across. So I'm going to show you now how I did it, obviously, because now it's a bit lighter, and then I'll show you how I'm going to finish it all off, and we'll get cracked on with that. So let's get going. So with my test pieces done, I decided to, obviously, the best way of doing this would be to start putting the board adhesive on the back of the LATH plaster, and then on the back of a board, which I'm showing you now. The reason is I'm going to sandwich them both together, and hopefully that should stick. Well, it did stick, sorry, and it stuck them both together, and it strengthened all that LATH plaster so none of it can fall off, and basically I'm just rebuilding it back to new. That's the plan anyway. So now you've seen me do that now, all it is you pick it up. I just put my knee down like that, like so. Oh, this one, no, it's in now. Thought I did it the wrong way there. And then you just tap it all the way down, like so. And then that should clamp together now. So the adhesive on the board and the adhesive on the, obviously, the LATH plaster now will stick together and stop all this from moving all over the place. And it strengthens the LATH plaster up. So you're probably thinking, everyone's out there who's thinking, well, why are you going through all this for? At the end of the day, you don't need to do this, you're mad. Well, I'll tell you why I need to do this, because that here is plasterboard. That's already been fixed. And you've seen the mess I'm showing you now, the amount of mess that comes down in here now, and I don't want that on my hallway. Also as well, I have a 13-year-old little boy. Well, he's not a little boy, he's like the size of me, and he's 13-year-old, and he's quite hormonal at the moment. So he's in and out of here, slamming doors and all that good, and it's just a nightmare. So, but if you want to put down in the comments or whatever, comment away, see what you think, see if I'm daft or whatever, and if you have any more good ideas, please let me know. I might do them in future videos. Anyway, let's get cracked on, let's get this finished. So that's it now. I'm all finished. I've got it all done. Whatever else. As you can see, there we are. It's all done. All the stuff being done here. I've put all these braced. Got all that braced up. I've even gone in, obviously started putting all the sealing and all that in now. But that's for other videos. And that now is rock solid. So let's show you the grand reveal. Obviously, as I got round here there, you can see a crack going down there. Okay, that's because that never got braced or anything, so that's that problem. But as you can see here, there's no cracks at all whatsoever. Okay, none whatsoever. It is held. I've literally put all this up here, right, and then braced all these together, all here, round here, and I've pounded them in, as you're seeing, with my nail gun, no problem. Now, what happens is I end up plasterboarding all my ceilings right through here in every single room. When I did my loft out, I had no problems, but here, I don't know if you can see it, there's a crack going right across there now, because I never did this, plasterboarded this ceiling. There's a crack going all the way across there. There's a crack going right across there, crack right across there, right across there. So I have a load of work to do later on when I come to do my hallway, which will be another exciting episode, and that's why I've done what I've done. So anyway, with that said, I'd just like to turn around and say I hope you liked what I've shown you, and I hope it can be of some help. And yeah, I'd just like to turn around and say thanks very much for watching, and I'll hope to see you in the next one. Take care.